Hello and welcome all Viewtrakr players. My name is Kalei Taylor, otherwise known by the alias Iconic here at Viewtrakr. I'm one of the game experts and have been teaching people for the last month and a half to 2 months on how to win here at the game. It's very exciting what we've been able to accomplish in terms of e-gift rewards that have been given out to people who are playing the game for free, and some of the places that people have been spending their e-rewards and getting money at are places that you would like to shop. So I'm going to take a few minutes first. The first video that I'm going to make is how to log in and really what to do when you get started, because you do want to get started right. So everyone will, technically go and log in at viewtrakr.com, which is our landing page. And as you can see, it looks pretty fabulous. We've taken some really great programmers putting this together. A lot of care went into this, and you can see, really, if you just kind of read through it, you can actually see what the meanings of things are. We've created our own language here, where you can shop at. These are just some of the stores, and what people are saying all over social media about Viewtrakr who are playing. And so it'll kind of tell you, what are the simple steps that you need to do, and what positions or advancements in the game, what that will earn you, and how to get there. We'll discuss that as well. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to log in to Viewtrakr. And I have my stuff already saved. So when you log in, as you can see, there are the top 5. Actually, I think they're going to be the top e-ticket winners in the company worldwide right now. So as you can see, I'm on there, and Kathy Keen's on there, Nicole's on there, Marlene's on there. It's Fun from Sweden, Fanny, Reggie, Andrew, Chris Lawson, Mishi. I mean, the list will keep on going on with people who are already earning the e-tickets this month. And so the top players that are awarded with tickets are located there. And again, you guys, you see the flag on the players, and the reason for that is because this is a game that can be played in 175 countries around the world. And as you come in to play the game of building a network and inviting friends to play, as well as sharing videos, what you're going to see is that there are going to be people from all over the world playing a game that's fun and exciting. And really, the name of the game is help other people out. And so when you get started, you definitely want to start by clicking on profile, and you want to set up your account correctly. Okay, so you definitely want to make sure that everything with an asterisk is filled out, and then you want to make sure that you create a domain name. Now, I personally wouldn't use my first and last name because it's a game, and you want it to be something that's cool, catchy, fun, and exciting, and also memorable, because you could actually put it on a business card for people if you wanted, or in marketing material if you wanted to invite people to play that way. Most of us do share invitations, through our social media and invite other people to play. And already we have a library of thumbnails that you could use to get started as your profile picture. And so let me go back here. And if you wanted to load something from your own computer or mobile device or tablet, you would just actually click on browse for more pictures and then update it. So be sure to fill out all of this correctly, and make sure all of the asterisks, they're very important, because your account will not show up as active, or we can't even help you. We don't even know who you are for your friends that invited you. And that's very, very important when you're playing the game, because again, the game is, helping people out. Okay. And when you get started, the best thing that you could do at first is definitely read how it works. Okay. So if you don't know how it works, you could go to the how to play section, and it'll tell you exactly, what I've told you. And then your first step is getting to active when you're starting. Okay, so let me go ahead and hit the back button here. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is, when everybody gets started, all of their stats, as you can see, they're changing in real time right now, because I have other people in the network that are playing. These statistics, this data that's compiled here, your wave score, your network views, your cybercoin, your epool, that's very important when you're sharing with other people. We all know that popular videos the more popular they are, more people watch it. And so this is kind of how we identify, where you're doing in the game. And what we loved about this is that this is actually a very even playing field for anybody. So if you're good at helping people, this is definitely the game that you want to play. And right here, I'll kind of go through this with you. If you hover over the boards, there also is a built-in tutorial that you guys can read. And right now there's e-tickets that have been given out for the month. There's e-pool money, which is money that comes from corporate advertising. And right now the e-ticket value is at $81, and I have 11 out of those 54 tickets that are given out, okay? But when you get started, you don't want to just share your videos and invite people with a zeroed out scoreboard. So the first thing that you want to do when you can help people is you want to make sure that you help yourself, and you want to make sure that you can calculate and maximize the wave score views that you can calculate from what we've already preloaded for you. Now, you are not captive to only having these videos if you don't like them. I will make another video here shortly showing you how to change those out. But what you want to do is the first thing that you do when you get your account set up is you want to click on any of these thumbnails, and then you want to hit preview. Okay? What will happen is a video page will pop up, and then you will see that initial video being played here. This is the first video in the playlist, okay? And what you want to do is you just want to take the time and you want to click on that video and let it load and let it play, and then click it 3 times, because on your own efforts you could actually score yourself 3 views per video, okay? And so I'm just kind of clicking through, showing you how to do this in a very efficient manner. And I'm going to go here. And right now I'm just showing you guys to walk through, but I've already scored all of my video counts for myself. So it's just more of an example for you guys. And as you can see, there are only 4 videos that appear at the bottom, but there's actually 8. So don't forget these over here, because there's 4 more videos that you can click, okay? So after you complete that, you can do 1 or 2 things. You can actually click back here to your home screen, and you can go back to my pages, and you can click on the second video thumbnail if you would like, or board, we call it boards, and you can click on it there. And then what happens is, once you do that one, here's a little secret and a tip that you guys would find very, very valuable, okay? So when you get one video link, you can actually get to all 10 boards if you know a little secret. So I'm going to drop a secret here for you guys. So you can see right here how it says pack equals 1 and board equals 2. Well, this pack equals the column that the boards are in and the thumbnail that they are cited to. Okay, so as an example, I'm going to change this to a 3, and if it refreshes, it goes to the next video page that is in the column. If I refresh this after changing the number to a 4, okay, then the Ciara video will load, which happens to be the video that's in that place right now. And then I would do the 5th video. Okay. Now, in order to get to the second row, what you want to do is you want to change the 1 to a 2. And then what I usually do, just for efficiency, is I work backwards, and so then I will change it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is a way that you can get to 240 views just by watching your videos from one link. And or you can still do it the other way, where you can click on each of the thumbnails multiple times, but you know, that's more clicking that you have to go back and forth from. So that's how you can get started correctly. That's how you can view your own videos correctly. And in the next video training that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to share your videos.